Okay guys, so today's main colour that we're using is Indulgence, and this will be the base of our rainbow aura nails. These have been trending everywhere, like absolutely everywhere, so I just wanted to give it a go myself using our own products. As you can see, I've created my own press-ons here for my right hand because obviously I'm right-handed and I can only use that hand to do my nails. I'm not very good with my less dominant hand, so I just created a little press-on set here for my birthday because it's my birthday coming up. And yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of a mix and match of full nails and tips. So here, as you can see, is going to be the thumb. I did a full nail of that. Then I did tips on the other ones, and what I did was base coat them with matte top coat first on the ones that I did a tip, just because when I'm doing a French tip or any design, I find that using matte top coat instead of base coat works better for me as a base. It's less slippy. I feel like I can see my design a little bit clearer. And yeah, that's just why I do that. I've always done it. If you watch my videos since way back, I've always used matte top coat as my base. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just matting everything out, basing our other nails, and we need to put 2 coats of everything on first. Pop her in the lamp and then we'll be back in a second. Okie dokie, so here's me just putting my second coat of Indulgence on the ones that need it, and then I'll begin my French tips on the 2 plain nails as well. This is such a lovely colour, especially for this design, because you really need something that's not purple, it's not red, but it's just in the middle, and it's a nice deep shade. And obviously with layering, this colour gets darker and darker. It's easily one of our most used colours in my salon personally. Whether it's winter, spring, summer, autumn, it gets used. It's just a lovely, lovely shade. So what I do here for my French tips is I tend to try to do as much as I can using the big brush just to save time. And then I'll go back in with my fine liner brush and just perfect anything that I need to after that. And as you can see, that's gone on really nicely. So we'll do 1 coat, cure, and then we'll do a second coat of that as well. And then we should be all up to scratch. All the nails should be at the same point and we'll be ready to start our aura. But guys, I am a little bit like low-key sad because it's my birthday, which is cool, but also I'm turning 31 this year. My god, like, where has the time gone? I remember starting my business when I was 20. That was so long ago. It was just before I was 20 actually. I did 3 years at college first. And it was something, nails and beauty was something that I just wasn't ever planning to do. I'm a bit of a tomboy. I'm not girly girl. You know, nails, having my nails done and stuff like that is not my priority. As you can probably tell by my own nails, they're never very good. But I always say to my clients, look, if mine look like this, is to make yours look like that. So don't ever judge me on my own nails because I'm not that kind of nail tech. That's just not me. But yeah, I got into it and I ended up loving it. I just love the art. I'm quite an arty person. I like to draw and stuff and paint. And yeah, beauty, just working with people, like different people from all walks of life. Like, I just loved it, to be honest with you. I'm a people person. I love to talk. I love to help people. And yeah, it kind of just went from there really. And then I started my business, and now 13 years later we're here, and I'm 31. I'm old. I've got a 3-year-old, and also working for one of my favourite best brands that I've ever used in my whole entire life. I've been using Naio since I started my business, and I will continue to forever use them because I just stand by their products. I love everything about them. I've never had an issue with any of my products that I've ever used. So they were great for me as a beginner, and they're still great for me now. So yeah, definitely go and check out the website if you haven't already for products, because I can 100% guarantee you that they will be perfect. Like, whatever you need, you can even leave it in the comments, like, this is what I kind of want to get, this is kind of the formula that I want, and this is the look I want to get. What would you recommend? I will recommend you what I would buy myself personally. But just to recap here, if you've missed it, we've used Bath Bomb, which is the pink, we've used Sherbet Lemon, which is the yellow, and Blue Reflection, which is the blue. And I've just airbrushed these onto each nail on top of each other, and I do go in with a second coat in a moment as well. But back to this, yeah, Do you know what? Working for Naio has been my biggest achievement ever. Ever. It was only ever something I dreamed of, and to be given the opportunity to create content for them has been wild. Absolutely wild. It's changed my life, and it's just really boosted my passion for what I do, and it's taught me to really push my confidence and get out there a little bit more, you know, and nothing is too daunting, you know, you just got to give it a go. Take a breath and try, because if you don't, you never know what you could do in life. So yeah, guys, just always try, okay? Don't give up on anything. Your dreams, you can make them real. Trust me, I'm here, I've done it, and you can do it too. There's my little motivational speech for the day. So right, once I have top coated everything, I did 2 layers of the aura on every nail, top coated, and now I'm going in my buffing block and just buffing everything, because we are going to be doing some chrome details on here, because what would a birthday set be without chrome? So just go ahead and buff everything and all of your nails, so they should look like this. Don't be scared, the colour's still there underneath. Then taking Serious Black, I am just drawing on where I want my chrome to be. I mixed it with a little bit of Clear as Day Biab, just to make sure that there was a slight raise. I didn't want them to be fully 3D, but just to have like a little bit of, you know, height compared to my other part of my nail. So here I'm just going to draw on some random lines and some abstract areas like so. I'm just doing like a half circle, and then I will cure that, and I'll be back in a second when we come to do our chrome. Okay guys, here's the look, and we're taking our we're taking our gold chrome pen. It's one of my favourites, I use it all the time. And I'm just using my sponge again, just to rub it in. I always use this freaking sponge, well, obviously a new one, but I just find that sometimes using the chrome pen, I can end up wasting product or putting too much on. So I've just gone in with my sponge, and I'm just popping this all over the gold sections that we want. And once I've done that on all of the nails, I'm going to buff off any excess, and then we will top coat and be done. Okay, so to finish, we're using top coat, and you can see the colours now popping. These are probably what I would say would be the best shades to use if you want to create the aura effect with our products. You can obviously add orange as well in there. I just wanted to keep it to the 3, but that's how they came out. They looked really cute, and I was really happy wearing them on my birthday. And yeah, they were fab. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and now you know how to create the rainbow aura effect. Obviously I used an airbrush machine, but you can do it with sponges as well. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you think of this set. If you like them, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.